Hello and welcome to ECON 101. I set up this video to introduce you to our course. You'll notice at the top I always place the two most recent announcements, and you'll find information vital to what we're working on in these announcements. Please read them carefully each week. Then your course is set up in modules such that you have to work through the material sequentially rather than jumping into the assessments without the material that you need to be successful on those assessments. So you'll always start at the top page, and as you proceed through, you'll note that the circles will become check marks as you complete the assignment. So for example, let's take this first quiz. We'll go ahead and click quiz, start, take the quiz, and then at the end we'll submit the quiz, and then we'll click next, and that will allow us to move on. So taking the quiz, we'll read through this material carefully, making sure to understand it. Email your instructor through Canvas inbox when you have any questions. Here is our course schedule so that you know all of the due dates. I recommend that you pop these into your favorite calendar, and that way you can anticipate when these due dates fall in the term. And then I discuss the country project, the tests, and some helpful tips for you. And then at the bottom, once you have read this carefully, then you would click and then submit quiz. And now we have successfully completed this. And if we go back out to modules or click home, we now see a green check mark that we have completed this task. And then in order to go to the next one, from that quiz page, you would click next at the bottom and proceed through your course, completing the page and then clicking next. Some pages are requiring you to mark as done or contribute to the discussion or complete the test. So be careful to accomplish those because otherwise you may not have access to the material that you need. Again, going back to home, always start at the top of each module and work your way through sequentially and complete the quizzes. And when you get to the bottom, you'll be able to move into the next material. And you'll notice that our first module, module number 1, will span from the beginning of the term through the first 3 weeks. And then you'll complete your assessments at the bottom. And each of those items that are requiring circles, you'll need to view those pages or complete tasks before you can move on to the next module. So the way to unlock the next page or module is to complete the previous work. I hope this introduction has helped you, and I look forward to working with you this term in Canvas. Please let me know your questions or just pop into my optional office hours to say hi and introduce yourself. Thanks, and I'll see you online. Have a wonderful term.